So first adjustment ever in your life. Just gonna do a little.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, did you feel that?
Oh my gosh. I literally can't.
Oh, your arms.
I didn't even know I had that much to crack.
That was the worst of it. Just
Oh.
good. Just get it over with. Good.
I literally could cry right now. Oh my gosh.
Tissues. Tiny little bit more. Just this.
Oh.
Breathe. There you go. That's a smile. That's good. Don't forget to follow us for that good crack.